Colab is again used to run ML and AI algorithms or programs. For that, you can use Google Colab to installing ML libraries. And how do you do that? Colab supports all machine learning languages, most of them. Yeah. So let's understand how you install a machine learning library. Yeah. So the command is usually pip install. So I say explanation, exclamation mark, say pip install. And suppose I want to run the machine library Keras, which is written in Python, runs on top of TensorFlow, CNTK, and TNO. It enables easy and fast prototyping of neural network application. It also supports both convolution, CNN, and recurrent networks, and also their combination. It seamlessly supports GPU. Yeah. So how do you install Keras? So pip install. I'll say -q Keras. Yeah, Keras. Let me see if it installed Keras. Yes. See this? Yeah. So Keras have got installed because a green tick mark has already come. So anything that gets executed successfully, you will get a green tick mark here. Please remember that. I have missed this in my introduction, but it is this way. Yeah. Suppose I want to install XGBoost. Yeah. Is a gradient boosting library that runs on major distributed environments such as Hadoop. It is highly efficient and flexible portable. It implements ML algorithms under the gradient boosting framework. Yeah. So Keras XBoost. Let me see if it gets installed. Yes, it does get installed. Let me see if it gives me a green tick mark here on the installation. It's getting installed. It will take some time. It's a heavy library used for deep learning. Yes, so it is done. I can also install PyTorch, which is a deep learning application. Yeah, it is an optimized tensor library and is GPU enabled. Yeah, so automatically the GPU gets enabled here. Yes, so it is getting installed. Install torch division. It is still getting installed. You can see the numbers ticking. Yes, and you see a green tick mark here once it gets installed. So this is how you can install by the time it is getting installed in this Google Colab. So this is how you can install all your libraries which are available onto the cloud. Yeah. You do not need to load it onto your system. Yeah. It automatically gets into uses the free GPU which is available by Google Colab. Yeah. So these are few libraries I have installed, but you can use your own libraries which you want to uh, import and use for your pursual at any point of time. Yes. So PyTorch is getting installed, taking time. There's too many libraries. You can see how many libraries we have there it has got installed. By the time it is getting installed, let's